Welcome to PK Woodworking and Happy New Year. I wanted to connect with you all and give you a little update. As you can see, there's concrete right here. Poured on the 2nd. Today is Sunday the 7th. And it's hard enough now, I think, to easily walk on. I've been doing some stuff for a couple of days. But I've already been working a little bit in the shop because on Thursday afternoon, the city signed off on it. So it's officially done and permitted and ready to go. So I couldn't really easily get a camera in there and do what I wanted to do right away because I wanted to start immediately. And then I had some other projects going on with the family. So anyways, I'm going to bring you in a little bit and I'm going to let you know that this is going to be a little different than normal because I only have a couple of tripods and there's a priority, and the one priority is the laser level. So the laser level is on a tripod, which is going to make this a one camera situation as we move on. So let me bring you inside and show you kind of what we've started on already. I know the lighting's a little rough in here right now, but I wanted to give you the inside view, and I know it's a little echoey also, but as you can see behind me, I've installed the 3-phase panel next to the Cat 6 space, and then next to over there the regular 220 panel. And today I'm going to begin to put in all the conduit. As you can kind of see along this wall, I've installed the boxes, and the boxes are at somewhat of a, I don't know, maybe partially controversial height, but they're made so that I can do what I've explained 50 times before, which is have like a center panel to be able to access if I needed to long term. So let me give you some other shots so you can see what we've done so far. Okay, I know I'm not in this shot, but this is a picture of the ceiling, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what we've done in the ceiling so far. So the round rings with the pieces of metal that you see coming off of them, those are for speakers that are going into the ceiling. There's actually some square ones at the back too. So the front of the shop, which I'm pointing to down there, the front of the shop is going to have a theater system in it that's connected to the TV that's going to be on the wall, and that's going to be a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos system. And then back here closer to where some of the tools are going to be, there are 4 speakers in the ceiling that are going to be just for listening to stereo music, and they will have their own separate subwoofer also. And those are all put into the ceiling along with all of the boxes for the overhead lights, the boxes for any of the 220 3-phase machines that are going to drop from the ceiling, and then also a box in the center for a drop down 120 reel. And then we also have, there's 2 boxes up there installed for the shop fans, and there's also 2 boxes that are installed up there for the filter system that will turn on when Grit tells it to turn on. And that's basically what's going on with the ceiling. Okay, first thing first, this rolling cart is like the best thing I never had before that I'm gonna have going forward. So this is amazing. It made it so much easier to do all the stuff in the ceiling. I'm short on speaker wire because I guess I'm not a good estimator of that. And some of that's coming in a couple of days so I can finish that off. Cat 6, like I said, is already run over to the other section way back there in the back where the AV cabinet will be. And then today I'm going to start drilling for all of the conduit, get the conduit installed, and hopefully start pulling some wire. So I'm going to post other videos that are going to be time-lapse to show like the actual drilling and getting the all the conduit put in. This is just kind of the update to the start of it. I'm in, it's signed off, we're ready to go. And then hopefully over the course of this week, because this is my last week off, the rest of it's going to be done on weekends, I'll be able to get a lot of this stuff done, get somebody in to do the drywall on the ceilings, and then really I can start moving forward after that. So thanks for watching, and keep coming back for all the updates and the progress videos, and I'll try to do my best to talk through some of the stuff that's going to be in time lapse to make it somewhat palatable and make them as short as possible. So thanks for watching again, and see you on the next one.